What's going on, guys? So today we were working the sternocleidomastoid. The sternocleidomastoid starts up here at the jaw and inserts down here by the clavicle. And it also inserts over here near the sternum. So that's why it's called sterno, right? Because it connects to the sternum. Cleido, because it connects to the clavicle. And the mastoid, which is the mastoid process up here by the jaw. Now, when I'm working in right here, right, I began to notice some things. So as you can see, as I'm working right here, you'll see a pull right here in the jaw. But you can still see a little bit when I pull this way right here. And all I'm doing is pulling the muscle, but it's causing that tension in the jaw. Now, if there's tension right here in the jaw, the next thing I'm gonna wanna do is I'm gonna wanna go into the mouth and work all the way across through the mandibular bone right here that goes all the way up to that mastoid process. So that way we can get some alleviation, so that way this twitch isn't so much affected by the sternocleidomastoid. And in order to do that, we gotta put on some gloves. Now we're gonna have the jaw relaxed, and I'm gonna work all the way across this mandibular area. So here we go. We're gonna go right here. Now we're just gonna work all the way across. Right where my thumb is at is where around my finger is at, and then I'll find little spots and I'll hold like this. And then I'll keep moving all the way down. Now as we get down to over here, we're gonna work the masseter. Now the masseter connects to the TMJ area, which is the mandibular joint. TMJ stands for tensor mandibular joint disorder, typically, and it's usually done by muscles that are tight or getting muscular atrophy for genetic disposition reasons. And so we're just going to be going in here, and we're finding where all the nodules are kind of just sticking to one another, and right there, just like that. So immediately you can see how loose that loosened up. When I was coming up this way, there was a big ball, and now, as you can see, there's no lump that's kind of going over. So right now we're gonna try massaging the sternocleidomastoid to see if we see a bigger difference on the jaw. So right here, I'm working now, and as you can tell, over here on the jaw, it looks a lot better. Comparatively to earlier, all of this is looking a lot looser. You stole my line, Ricky.
Yeah.
How you feeling?
Good.